We're a couple months from the election. We're recording this in mid-August or so of 2024. What's your take on just opportunities, sellers' expectations with value, and being a buyer of? Let's just talk about multifamily right now, 100 plus units, value add. Like what's kind of your feeling of this right now?
Well, I've been a pretty outspoken market bear and pessimist for like the last at least couple of years. In 2021 and the first half of 22, I sold three quarters of my multifamily portfolio. And I couldn't have timed that much better, I don't think. We got out right before the market started to really drop. By my calculations, peak to trough market values in multifamily have moved over 35%, which is a really deep, deep move. Now that's peak to trough. Peak was very short. The peak was probably the first two quarters of 2022 is when pricing peaked out. Trough is kind of where we are right now. And so I haven't bought any multifamily in 3 years, and I don't know how long it's going to be before I do. I don't want to ride the market down. I want to ride it back up. And I haven't received any proof yet that we're at the bottom where a ride up would start if I were to get in today. Although I do think we're getting a lot closer. If you would have asked me this question a year and a half ago, I would have said, I don't know, we're maybe 6 months to a year out, maybe 2 years out. Now I think I would say, we're 6 months to a year out and probably not 2 years. I think uh, somewhere in the near future, we're going to see a market bottom